And in today's video, to fix your WhatsApp backup stuck on Android, so I'm going to be showing you a different way by which you can fix your problem of your WhatsApp backup getting stuck. So the first is make sure your internet connection is stable, because like when you're backing up your data, you're basically uploading your chat history from your phone to your appropriate place. Like if you have chosen Google Drive, then you're uploading your data from your phone to your Google Drive. So if your internet is slow, it's gonna take some time, and then sometimes it's gonna get stuck. So make sure your internet connection is stable. And the other option is make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. Like for that, you can go to your Play Store and check if your WhatsApp is up to date or not. So let me go to my Play Store and check. So right now my WhatsApp is up to date. As you guys can see, there is an open button over here. But if you guys see an update button over here instead of open, then make sure to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And if it still doesn't fixes it, then the other option is like hold on your WhatsApp logo over here and click on app info. And then it's gonna take you to WhatsApp app info. And over here you can click on storage usage, and on storage usage you can click on clear cache and clear your WhatsApp's cache. Now do not clear WhatsApp data, because if you clear your WhatsApp data, then it's gonna also delete all your chat. So clear your WhatsApp cache, and after doing this, go to your WhatsApp backup setting, and it should back up your setting. And the another thing is, if you're backing up your WhatsApp chat to a Google Drive which is full, then you won't be able to back up your chat, because your Google Drive is full and there is no place to store the WhatsApp chat. So make sure your Google Drive has enough space to store your WhatsApp chat. So these are all the solutions.